Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that if you are generating the image through Adobe Firefly and if you want to change the size of image, how you can do that. So it's very easy. So let's get started. That how we can change the size. So first of all, what we have to do simply you have to provide the command here. That what you want to create. For example, I'm gonna write the command here, and then simply what we have to do, we have to click on the generate. And as you can see, let's click on the generate. And after clicking on the generate, the image will be generated. So we have to wait for a few seconds until it generate the image. So as you can see now the images are generated and these are in the size is square 1.1. If you want to change the ratio of this, you can also do that. Simply you have to click on the square ratio and then now you have to choose the size according to your need. For example, I want in the landscape 4.3. So you have to click on that. If you want in the wide screen 16.9, you have to click on this and then simply you have to click on the generate and the size will be changed and you will be able to get the images in this size. So we have to wait 50 seconds and it will again create the images in the provided size. So we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see now the images are generated in our given size. If you want to check out this, if you want to open this, as you can see now you can open this and you can download this as well. So in this way you can change the size. So in this way you can change the ratio of your image and Adobe Firefly. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.